Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go! Personal income taxes are rising, and we need to find the short-run effect on the Phillips curve model quickly. Let's solve this economics puzzle together. When the government increases personal income taxes, households have less disposable income to spend. This causes a significant decrease in consumer spending, which directly shifts the aggregate demand curve leftward. As aggregate demand falls, the economy experiences a lower price level and a decrease in real output. This specific combination leads to higher unemployment and lower inflation in the short run. On our graph, this trade-off is shown as a movement down along the existing short-run Phillips curve. That makes option A our final winner. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid a rush by watching signs. Always trust the given steps for success.